still working. Automatic water without you having the water. You fill the water in the reservoir, the wicks absorb it to the top.
Okay, so it'll be wet up here, so it'll go through that cloth bag.
Correct.
And keep it moist, rather than constantly trying to determine when to water it. It's giving it enough so it won't be oversaturated.
Exactly.
So to say.
Exactly.
Okay.
Anybody that uses fabric products know the biggest downside to them is that they dry out quickly.
So if you're looking for a quick DIY self-watering container for your cloth containers, here you go. It's just a 5-gallon bucket and some string. What kind of thread is this?
It's from Amazon. I think it's the 6 feet. Yeah, I got at least 6 feet worth of it, but I think it's like 4
Is it a name, a brand?
No. Actually, it is.
Anyway, this is it. So y'all figure out.
They can have various sizes and lengths and width, so you determine what you need based upon your needs.
All right, so that's it so far. We'll catch you in the next one.